कि विजिलेंस गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हमको लेटर आया, विजिलेंस ये बोली है कि सारे कागजात हम लेके गए हैं, इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, इट इज देयर इन दिस बुक सर। तो सवाल ये है कि सर आप एक कमीशन को अपॉइंट करते हैं, टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंसेस को आप स्ट्रांग नहीं करते हैं, तो हाउ वुड अ कमीशन हैव अ रियल इंक्वायरी? सर आई रियली फेल सर गोइंग फर्दर अहेड सर। सर इफ आई हैव टू गो further ahead, sir, I would also say, sir. So the CAG noted that the Kaleshwaram project was likely to exceed from 1,47,247 crores as against cost of 89,911 crores projected to Central Water Commission. CAG audit report on Kaleshwaram has pointed out that the government has not accorded administrative approvals of the project as a whole, and instead it has issued separate approvals as many as 73 for an aggregate amount of 1,10,248 crores, or the total expenditure of 86,788 crores incurred in this project in the March 2022, and expenditure of 55,807 crores are met from the off-budget borrowing raised by Kaleshwaram Irrigation Project Corporation Limited, sir. Sir, they have given many observations, sir. Sir, क्योंकि वक्त नहीं है, काफी देर हो गई, so I'm just not going into more detail, sir. But sir, I don't know, sir, how could it happen before the copy? One important, sir, I always raise this, sir. Sir, through you, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister Saab, Sridhar Babu Saab also, sir. Sir, in March 2024, sir, the present government has appointed a one-man inquiry commission headed by former Chief Justice AP High Court, retired Supreme Court, वो लोकपाल के पनकी चंद्रा घोष को अपॉइंट करे, sir. Commission submitted its report on government on 31st July, sir. Sir, now, sir. Sir, आप इंटरवीन करना है, सर. ये बार-बार की आदत बन गई है, सर. सर, इसमें देखिए कि however, even before the state cabinet discussed the commission report on 4th of August, findings of the commission report were widely reported in the print and electronic media of several days prior to the release of the presentation of commission report and its executive summary by the government. सर ये बताइए क्या है सर ये? तो is it कि intentionally the government is leaking the report to the media, sir? Is it fair, sir? So what is the privilege of the cabinet? What is the privilege of this house, sir? Sir, we as a legislatures, we do not know what is there in the report because the report is not tabled, but the journalists and the newspaper and the media houses, they get to know before us. No, sir, it came before, sir. That is what I'm saying, sir. It came before. It came before, sir.